Good morning, welcome to engineering. This is the first video that I'm doing for the year. We are going to be covering how to connect Google Drive to a Windows computer. The reason we're going to be using Google Drive is so that you can reach your files more quickly than if you had to log into the internet and access them through that method. Um, Downloading, uploading, all those kinds of things. We're going to use this as our major location that we're going to save all of our files. The purpose for Google Drive is to set it up as a regular drive on your computer, like you would find things in your C drive, D drive, whatever. If you haven't looked, I suggest you take a look at the directions on how to do this in Schoology. And in there I describe three locations or three types of locations that you can save your work. The first is locally. Locally means that you are saving it to the computer that you are working on. The downside of this is you can only access those files on that computer. So if you're working on your student laptop, you save to the laptop, you can only access it there. If you need to access it from a friend's computer or a flat class computer, you can't. The second is what's called a network drive. And a network drive means that you can access files saved to that network drive from any computer on the network. So, say that you have a home network at home, you could be working on a file on your laptop in your bedroom and then go and access it from another computer in the house or your cell phone or another device connected to that same network. The last type of network is what we call cloud storage. Cloud storage is anything from Dropbox to Google Drive. And the advantage of Google Drive and Dropbox, or similar, is that you can access those files from anywhere that you have the internet and a capable device. So for today, we're going to demonstrate how to access Google Drive and how to get logged in, and I will show you how to access it once you are logged in. Here we go. You are going to begin by coming over to the Start button and go ahead and click on it and type Drive. Okay, as you get a couple letters in, you should see the app show up here on the Start menu. Go ahead and click. And you may or may not see what the window that I have on my screen. I'm going to go ahead and close that just to show you what you may see. And we are going to go down to the bottom right, this up arrow. And notice you have the icon, and it is grayed out. It is grayed out because you do not have any accounts connected to it. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then select Sign In with Browser. Now, you will have to do this process with any computer that you want to use this on. So you can do it on a home computer, you can do it on your student laptop, you can do it on a computer in the engineering classroom, but you have to do it on each computer that you are planning on using. If you have not signed in, you will need to go through the Rapid Identity Sign-In procedure, which I will cover in another video. There are also directions to do that online. But I'm going to go ahead and select my school account, which is nbonds@tuhsd.k12.az.us. And then go ahead and click on Sign In. And you should have this success page that comes up. And you can close that. Okay, you will notice now that the icon has those Google Colors on it. And we're going to go ahead and click on that. You should see the your school email appear. And then we are going to select Preferences, and then Google Drive, and the Preferences icon again. And go ahead and check this drive letter. Yours might have a G or any other letter. If you would like to change that, you may to anything in this list. I'm going to go ahead and keep mine as an F, but it doesn't really matter what that letter is unless you are a member of a team or a club that is using Google Drive to share files, in which case every member of that team needs to have theirs as the same letter. So once you have checked the letter, go ahead and click Done, and you are all set up. So the advantage of that is if we go over to File Explorer, we can access all of our Google Drive as if it were any other location on our computer. So my drive, and I can access any file and any folder on my Google Drive. So I hope this has been helpful, and we will see you in class.